Hi everyone, here is a quick tutorial on how to make a dummy class to set yourself up for Monday. Now, our classes will be showing up momentarily in Schoology, and as an Edgenuity teacher or as a teacher who is getting new courses for second quarter, you will have courses that will appear inside Schoology. Now, with the courses being finalized, they don't show up today. The best thing to do is set yourself up and create a dummy course that you can pull content into and then transfer over into the class once the class shows up in your Schoology. To do that, you're going to click on Courses, and then you're going to click on My Courses. Under My Courses, on the right-hand side, you're going to click on Create a Course. So this, you will want to name this uniquely so that you know that this is your dummy course and not your correct course. So I'm going to call this Dummy Course PE Health. I do have to pick a section name. I just leave section 1 because I'm the only one that will see it, but I do have to pick a subject, a level, and a grading period. So I will pick Health and PE. I'll pick a level. Honestly, this doesn't matter, but I do want to pick a grading period that I'll be able to play with. Now notice how these grading periods are gray. You are going to want a grading period that is black. So I scroll all the way down and I start looking for courses that are in the black. So I'm going to look for quarter 1, which ends today. And right around there, I should find a gray one that is quarter 2 that will start tomorrow, right here, November 2nd. So then I create. So now I have my dummy course, just like what a basic Schoology course would look like. So then I'm going to go to Courses, and I'm going to show you what my Practice Edgenuity course looks like. So I've built a few things for my teachers. So now that I've built this in my dummy course, I can take this content, and once that real course shows up, I'm going to click on the gear, and I'm going to click on Copy to Course. So I find the real course. In this instance, I'm going to pick this dummy course. It's not in any folders, so then I click Copy. So when I go to that real course that I will have inside Schoology, that will have students, here is the copy of my homepage available here. If you've got any questions, reach out to one of your tech coaches or your tips. Have a great day.